Hey, what's up YouTube enthusiasts? After taking my EM2 about as far as I can, or really about as far as I wanted to, I found myself window shopping on Facebook Marketplace a lot. And I gotta say, I came across a lot of sellers that either wanted way too much money for the rolling piles of garbage, or just really clean cars that were out of my price range. One of these examples are this EP3. This guy had two separate posts on different accounts. The car had a damaged wheel sitting on one of the donuts and a variety of check engine codes on display while asking for about $3,500. And as you can see, I was targeting EP3s or Civic SIs. And here is another delusional seller that was originally asking $4,000 for a wrecked car sitting on a tow bed. Now asking $2,000. I guess he finally came to his senses. Well, here it is, everyone. I landed on this Civic SI for $3,300. When I seen it in person and drove it, I knew I had to take it home. And you guys will notice that this car isn't perfect and needs some work. But this is a 20-year-old Civic SI. It somehow survived the release of the Fast and Furious and Tokyo Drift era untouched. This car just basically made it out of the Squid Games with some scratches and some bruises. And since winter is just about here, I plan to start getting the bodywork done. And on the priority list is this area. Hopefully I can salvage this bumper and replace this taillight, but I couldn't help myself, guys. The car was so polite and quiet, I had to order an intake and give this puppy some growl. Alright, this is going to be our first mod for the EP3. I don't even know if the American version is really considered an EP3. Guess I'll call it. Guess it's a Civic SI, but I ordered this HPS intake. Car's really quiet right now, and it's all stock, so I just want to have a little sound, and plus the stock airbox just takes up a lot of room, so can never go wrong with getting an intake. And I'm doing this with one hand, so let's see how this works out. Gotta use my stomach. And okay, looks like this is the hardware for it. But yeah, ordered this off of eBay. Has a little heat shield. I want to say it's $225 for this HPS kit. I'm assuming this is probably going to be the filter right here. Sorry if I'm not, like, my picture's not centered because I'm trying to do this with one hand. Okay, I'm not even sure what kind of filter this is. Maybe it's a dry filter. Kind of looks like a dry filter. I don't know. Maybe it needs to be oiled. It has the HPS logo on top. And let's get the good stuff. Shiny bits. The shiny bits. And this is even nicer than the picture advertised, because the picture is advertised. I did order it, order the black one, and it almost has like kind of like a wrinkle finish. Not quite. It's more like a rough satin type black, which I do like that. But in the pictures it shows like right here it'd have like an HPS sticker that goes across it, but this is even better, man. It has like an actual like still logo like welded to it. It's pretty clean looking. I like that. It's slick. Then this is the filter, a little better look at it. I don't know what kind of filter this is though. Like I said, I don't know if I need to oil this or not, but it's like a white grayish fiber. Let's have fun. Let's install this stuff.